testament to his ability to inspire and lead with purpose. His leadership extended further as an active member and officer of the University Student Council, where he was recognized as one of the top outstanding student leaders for his excellence in governance and organizational management. He also served as president of the Kati Tirok Youth Camp, showcasing his skills in project management and youth empowerment, and actively participated in various youth advocacy groups, promoting public health awareness, adolescent health, and community engagement. Our guest speaker's commitment to service is deeply rooted in his involvement in disaster risk reduction and community outreach programs. He has contributed to the development of information, education, and communication materials that promote public safety and emergency preparedness, proving that his dedication goes beyond the classroom and echoing it into the heart of the community. His excellence has also been recognized through numerous achievements. Among these are being named an outstanding leader, a top-performing student council officer, and even being crowned SSU Festival Queen 2024, highlighting not only his intellect and leadership, but also his confidence and well-rounded personality. Throughout his academic journey, he has consistently demonstrated academic excellence as an honor student. In the completion of his bachelor's degree in nutrition and dietetics at SSU, he honed skills and prepared himself to become a competent and compassionate professional in the field. At kapapasok lang na balita, our guest speaker will soon start his mission as a newly appointed Instructor 1 of Summer State University this first week of April. Indeed, our guest speaker is a shining example of what it means to be a leader, a professional, and a servant of the community. His story is one of perseverance, excellence, and purpose, a story that will surely inspire us all today. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pride and admiration that I present to you our distinguished guest speaker, a registered nutritionist, dietitian. Let us all give a warm and enthusiastic round of applause to Darcy G. Pangayta.
Thank you very much, sir, for that very overwhelming introduction. Grabe kinulba ako. Mas makulba ang pag-introduce ako